Defne and the Tile Town Treasure. Defne arrived in Kütahya on the fast train. She pressed her nose against the window, watching the green hills roll past. "Summer vacation starts now," she cheered. Her cousin Selim waved from the platform. "Welcome. Get ready for history and heat, Defne. Kütahya is a secret treasure waiting to be explored." Their first stop was the impressive Kütahya Castle, perched high on a rocky hill. The stone walls looked centuries old. "This castle has seen everything," Selim explained. "It protected the city from many different empires, from Roman to Ottoman. It's like a giant stone scrapbook of history." Defne imagined knights and sultans walking the battlements. She looked down at the city spread below, a blanket of terracotta roofs dotted with minarets. Later, they visited Donanlar Mosque, a circular masterpiece. "Kütahya mixes the old and the older," she giggled, trying to pronounce the Turkish names. But Kütahya is most famous for its spark, its beautiful, bright, scenery tiles. Selim took Defne to a working ceramics studio. The air smelled of clay and glaze. Tiles were stacked everywhere, painted with intricate designs of tulips, carnations, and swirling spirals of cobalt blue. The artist handed Defne a clean white bisque tile and a fine brush. "Sini is an art passed down through families," the artist said. Defne carefully dipped her brush in rich turquoise paint. She tried to follow a pattern, but her lines wobbled. "It's harder than it looks," she declared, her cheeks smudged with white dust. The next day, they drove out of the city into the Phrygian Valley, sometimes called the Land of Stone. The landscape was wild, full of bizarre volcanic rock formations, carved by wind and time. Defne climbed up a hillside to get a better view. "Long, long ago, the Phrygian people lived here," Selim explained, pointing to rock-cut tombs and temples carved right into the stone. "They left behind their art and history etched into the mountainside. Can you imagine living in a house carved from a giant rock?" After a long week of exploring, their muscles ached. "Time for the healing water," Selim announced. Kütahya is also famous for its thermal springs, like Yomkali. They lowered themselves into the warm, mineral-rich pools. The warm water felt like a soft, comforting hug. Defne watched the steam rise into the cool afternoon air. It was a perfect contrast to the busy days of hiking and painting. This was nature's special way of caring for the land and the people, she thought. As Defne packed her suitcase, she placed the wobbly turquoise tile carefully on top. Kütahya wasn't just old stones and green hills. It was vibrant art, deep history, and warm, welcoming water. She knew she had discovered a true Turkish treasure.